These chairs vibrate and heat and glow different colors. This pulls into a bed. This one pulls out into a bed. Media stand with a ton of storage space. That's where we keep our shoes. They keep a lot of shoes in there actually. More storage under there. Table. Lots of storage. Fridge. Super clean. The kitchen. Again, lots of storage. Dish rack. Drawers. Bathroom. Oops, I left that open. Storage in there. Stairs. Here's one loft. You could sleep somebody up here or use it as storage. The big loft fits 3 twin beds. I had 3 twin beds up here at one point. That cube is storage. We have a TV mounted and a dehumidifier. Master. TV. Washer and dryer goes over here in this cubby. New bed. We used our own. Lots of storage under here. We'll leave the dresser if wanted. Leave the mirror. More storage. This can hang whatever you want. And that's it.